Number 1, consistently. Your marketing company should follow a schedule which sets and meets your expectations. If they fall short, they're failing to deliver and they are not reliable. Number 2, clearly. Whether on the phone or in an email, your marketing company should clearly present the timeline for projects and what items are needed from you with clear set dates. They should break down information for you to be able to clearly understand your results. Number 3, transparently. When an agency is transparent, it means they are honest and credible. They have nothing to hide. They're organized and they can explain the exact moment something went wrong or when something went right. Your marketing company should explain their decisions. Lastly, your marketing company should always ask if you have any questions, if they can answer your questions. They should always be approachable and available. If you're unsatisfied or uncomfortable, give Wit Digital a call. We live by our values of serving our clients and consistently follow these 3 communication points to help our clients dominate their service areas.